Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show how to get coins on Webtoon. Want to get coins on a Webtoon? To unlock Webtoon, here's the easiest way to get them. The first step is make sure your internet is working or not. Check your internet. If your internet is not working properly, the app might be not work properly. So turn your Wi-Fi off for 5 seconds, then on again, or you also switch to mobile data. If that is not working, turn your airplane mode on for few seconds, then off again. After doing that, the second step is buy coins. Open the Webtoon app, and the second step is go to your profile and tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then the other step is tap the coin icon at the top and choose the coin package and complete the payment and tap on buy coins. And here you will see the many options or offers. You also buy or, and here you will see buy for the coins. And the other step is event and promotion. Sometimes Webtoon gives free coins to duty special event. Check the event section in the app regularly. Sometimes Webtoon offers tags for promotion where you can earn coins by participating, and that's how you get coins on Webtoon easily. And thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.